if you have a lock hair and you're looking forward in the future to lock your hair, so this video is dedicated for you, because in this video I'm going to be explaining the things that can definitely damage your dreadlock or cut your dreadlock. Please stay tuned, watch this video to the end, because you are going to get value. My channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. For my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to my channel. You guys are the real G. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing some tips on your dreadlock. So take your popcorn, take your snack, so let's get ahead to the video. So my number one things that can definitely damage your dreadlock is bleaching. Especially bleaching your dreadlock to a golden color or to other color apart from black color can definitely damage your dreadlock. Tinting your dreads would make your dread not to grow, and it would weak the dread, the root of your dread, and make it not to grow, and also can make your dreads to get caught. Because if you go back to my previous video when I started YouTube, you will see that I used to have a tinting dreadlock. I used to tint my dreadlock to gold, and I find that because of that I lost a lot of my dreadlock, and the thing was making my dreadlock to be cutting. And then before I rushed to go I rush to go and dye my dreads to black, because why, I have a brown hair, so I love to tint my dread, but that's usually damaged my dread root, and my dread was not growing. If maybe I didn't tint my dread could have been longer than this, because I tinted my dread for the starting when I started my dreadlock, because I was loving it. When you tint your dread, it definitely make your dread look so cute, but at the end of the time you don't know that you are definitely damage your dreadlock, because it's going to make your dreadlock to cut very fast. The next thing I'll be talking about, too much twisting. A lot of you have a dreadlock and you twist your dreadlock mostly every day in a week. Too much twisting your dread can also cut your dread and can also damage your dread, because when you twist it and you are not allowing the dread to have other grow hair, this is going to make your dread to cut very fast. They will say too much of things are bad. So if you are trying to get a dreadlock or you are having a dreadlock, please don't twist your dreadlock all the time. Make sure you are twisting it once in a week or once in 2 months. I do my own once in 3 months. When I started my dreadlock journey, I used to twist it once in 2 times in a week. So I noticed that my dreads were making my dreadlock to be so weak, and it was making my dreadlock to cut off. So that is why I stopped. Now I tint my dread, I twist my dreadlock. Twist my dreadlock once in 3 weeks or once in a month. So the next one I will be talking about is using different shampoo on your dreadlock. A lot of people go to the supermarket and they see every shampoo on the supermarket, every hair wash soap on the supermarket, and they buy it and they apply it on their dread, which is going to help to cut your dread and also help to lose your dread nutrient, because not all shampoo that are good for your dreadlock. There are some specific shampoo that may not go along well with your dreadlock hair. So I have made this mistake in the past, because when I didn't stick to one shampoo when I started my dreadlock journey, I was just taking any shampoo I see, at least they write it is good for hair, it's moisturize, it's nourish the hair, I will just apply it on my hair. So, and because of that, it was weakening my dreadlock, and my dreadlock become weak. And one thing, when your dreadlock become weak, and any little thing, it can fall off. So do not use different shampoo on your dreadlock. Make sure any shampoo you are using, try it for maybe like a week. If it doesn't good on your dreadlock, please change to another type of shampoo. Do not just be using different shampoo on your dreadlock, because it can weaken the dreadlock. The next one I'll be talking about is using too much treatment hair condition. You know, when you go to a salon, there are a lot of treatment they will add to your dreadlock. Yes, I know, when I used to go to the salon, they almost add a lot of treatment on my dreadlock. They had this, they had it, they had it. At the end of the day, I would find out when I got home, some of my hair will start to be removing. There are too much treatment on your dreadlock is bad. Sometimes when you just go to the salon, just treat your hair for home. Treat it. Make sure you buy your personal hair dread treatment. Treat it by yourself. When you go to the salon, they will say, okay, don't worry, let me treat it well before knitting the dreadlock. Just tell them that no, what I do now is that I treat my dreadlock for home. When I go to salon, I only know I go there for maintenance. When they say they want to treat my dreadlock, I will say no, I don't want. I've already treated. Before, I don't used to do this. Before, I just go there, I'll pay for treating, and I'll go pay for treating and knitting. But when I go there, I will find out that some of these products that they add to my hair, I don't really know what they mean. And some of this hair treatment that they will miss all of them and put it on your hair. Some can be dangerous to your dreadlock. So if you are carrying a dread, so I advise you to always treat your dreadlock for home before going to the salon, because some of all these products that they are using in the salon are not really good for your dreadlock, are not really good for dreadlock particular hair. Okay, so that's it. This is my honest experience to share, because one of my subscriber asked me in the video I did previously about you should not get a hair lock, and he rated me on my comment section if I should explain things that can really cut your dreadlock, the mistake, because he's having problem with his lock. So that is why I come here today to share this video for those of you that is carrying dreadlock, and those of you that want to get your hair dread. You should know this mistake so you don't make this mistake, because I didn't know, and I didn't see any video that would also explain all this stuff to me. So I really do all this mistake on my hair. Thank God my hair didn't fall off my head, but now I have changed my ways. So I try to maintain my dread now so that it can be thicker. You can see. So because of the tinting, I definitely tint my hair, really cut my dreadlock and was eating my dreadlock. I didn't know this of time. That is why I come to this video to share this video to you guys. So if you want to get your hair lock, or you are carrying lock, so you will know the mistake earlier, so you will not make that same mistake I did. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you watched to this extent, and if you have not subscribed this video, what are you waiting for? Kindly go and subscribe to this channel, and also share this video to anybody that you know this video may be helpful to. I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to stay healthy, stay positive, all the best. Be nice to one another. I love you guys.